step-by-step procedures to convert thoughts into reality. Hey folks, I'm so grateful that you clicked for today's video. In today's video, I'm going to explain you all the principle autosuggestion or self-suggestion which Napoleon Hill in his Think and Grow Rich mentions as a medium for influencing the subconscious mind. I promise you all, if you stay till end, you will be left convinced that you can achieve whatever you want in life, whether be it's the lifestyle that you crave for, or whether be it attracting your soulmate or achieving your fit, healthy body. By the end of this video, you may even start considering yourself as a god, and we are starting right now. So, in order to make the entire stuff as much easy as possible, I will be dividing it into 3 phases. But first, you need to be aware of what actually gives you such a power that enables you to convert any of your thoughts into reality. And to any person out here who feels uncomfortable with it, or if it is hard to believe at, the great Gautam Buddha once said, "A life is the creation of thoughts we put in our own mind." A person's mind is so powerful we can invent, create, experience and destroy things with our thoughts alone. Having that thing sorted, let me just give you a feel that what actually happens to your thoughts that give them such a mysterious power. For the sake of simplicity, I'm going to consider that a human mind is composed of 2 parts, conscious mind and subconscious mind. I know there are studies that show 3 types of mind: conscious, subconscious, preconscious, some says superconscious, but just for the sake of explaining things to you to a whole lot much more clear level, we will consider them as 2, conscious and subconscious. When any thought reaches the subconscious part of your mind, then let me just assure you, no force in this entire universe can stop it from converting it into reality. So, putting things straightforward, if you are able to put your thoughts into your subconscious mind, they will get converted into reality. This means that you only need to learn how to put your thoughts into your subconscious mind. As I promised, I will be making this process easier for you, so here I am. First, you need to understand that a thought, before reaching subconscious mind, it stays in your conscious mind. Part of mind which everyone is aware of, part of mind with which we think, act, feel. So, it simply boils down to thoughts are self-suggested thoughts or desired thoughts. If they meet a specific criteria, they travel to subconscious mind, from where they convert themselves into reality. Now, in phase 2, we will talk about this simple yet critical criteria. The only criteria to give wings of reality to your thoughts is to mix emotions to your thoughts, add feelings to your thoughts. Now, the strongest emotions that you need to add to your thoughts are emotions of faith, love and sex. Summarizing phase 1 and phase 2. If you add emotions of faith, love and sex to your self-suggested or desired thoughts and keep on repeating it with persistence, no matter how much setback you face, keep on repeating it. At the end, you will end up putting your desired thoughts into your subconscious mind, from where they will automatically get converted into its physical equivalent. Now, the final phase, I can even skip this because I have already covered it in my previous videos. But then also, till now you understood that thought plus emotions is equals to reality. And in emotions, I will be focusing on how to cultivate emotion of faith, as faith is the strongest and most productive of all the emotions. So, in order to develop absolute faith, you need to imagine that whatever you want to attract it to yourself, you have already succeeded at doing it. This is act as if technique. Just for the sake of an example, if you want to attract a specific person into your life, just see, feel and imagine that you are already spending some great time with that person. Repeat this way of imagining until your conscious mind becomes saturated with it. Fake it till you make it. Your desired thought plus emotion of faith, it would get much more easier for you if you can mix emotions of love and sex together with faith plus repeated efforts backed up with persistence is equals to reality. Now, in order to get everything right into your head, I'm going to explain it with the help of an example. Suppose you want to attract $50,000 by 1st of Jan 5 years hence. In this case, you need to trigger emotion of faith first. And the only possible way by which you can do this is by writing a statement of definite purpose. I have already explained how to write this statement of purpose in one of my previous videos. Tap the I button to watch it. But for now, just understand that a statement of definite purpose, if used to accumulate money, must have number 1, a fixed amount of money that you want to accumulate. Number 2, a specific time period within which you would be accumulating it. Number 3, what do you intend to give in return for that money? Also, in the statement, you must clearly describe the plan through which you intend to accumulate the money. Now, getting back to that example of $50,000, your statement of purpose should be similar to the following. By the first day of Jan, I will have in my possession $50,000 which will come to me in various amounts from time to time. In return for this money, I will give the most efficient service of which I am capable of. Mention the details of the service. I believe that I will have this money in my possession. My faith is so strong that I can now see this money before my eyes. I can touch it with my hands. I am awaiting a plan by which to accumulate this money and I will follow that plan when it is received. If you want to craft a statement of definite purpose for the sake of attracting a specific person, then statement must have number 1, the name of that person. Number 2, the time limit which you feel that will be sufficient for attracting them. Number 3, definite plans with the intention of adding value to that person's life. Last but the most important, see, feel, believe, imagine that you are already spending a great time with that person in a relationship. Mix emotions of faith and love and just trust the process. So, quick summary of the entire video. Thought plus emotion plus repetition backed up with persistence is equals to reality. Then I told you how to develop faith. Create faith by reading the written statement of definite purpose twice daily. Once in morning after waking up and again at night before going to sleep. So that was all for today's video. Thanks for watching.